Amoy pa lang, ulam na.
Oo nga.
Ayan guys, oh. Maanghang. Amoy pa lang, masarap na. Ay, ulam na pala. This is my ulam for today's video. And for today's. For today's o for today's? Today daw, sabi ng anak ko. For today. Hindi pala for today's. For today video. Okay na to, luto na to mga soke.